Welcome to Oryx Learning. Today's lesson is on Unit 6, Triangles and Pythagorean Theorem, Lesson 4, Polygons and Angles. A polygon is a closed figure formed by three or more segments called sides. Polygons are named by their number of sides. A polygon with 3 sides is called a triangle, and with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. A polygon with 5 sides is a pentagon, and with 6 sides is a hexagon. A polygon with 7 sides is a heptagon, and a polygon with 8 sides is an octagon. With 9 sides, it's a nonagon, and with 10 sides, a polygon is named a decagon. An interior angle of a polygon is formed by 2 of its sides and is inside of the polygon. In the example shown, angles 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all interior angles. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon can be found by taking the number of sides, n, and subtracting 2. Then, multiply that number by 180. So our formula for the sum of interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 times 180. An exterior angle of a polygon is formed by one side and the extension of the adjacent side. It is outside of the polygon. In the image below, angles 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 are all exterior angles. The sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360. The measure of one of the exterior angles of a regular polygon can be found by dividing 360 by the number of angles n. So the measure of one exterior angle equals 360 divided by n. How many angles does a nonagon have? Remember that a nonagon is a polygon with 9 sides and 9 angles. What is the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon? To find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, take the number of sides and subtract 2. Then multiply by 180. A hexagon has 6 sides by definition, so we can take 6 minus 2 times 180. Well, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 4 times 180 is 720. So the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon is 720 degrees. What is the measure of each interior angle of a regular decagon? To find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, take the number of sides and subtract 2, and then multiply by 180. A decagon has 10 sides, so if I take 10 minus 2 times 180, I get 8 times 180, which equals 1,440 degrees. Now that is the total of all of the interior angles. In order to find 1, since it's a regular decagon, all of the angles are equal. So divide the sum of the interior angles by 10, the number of angles. 1,440 divided by 10 equals 144. So there is 1,440 total degrees inside of a decagon, and each of the angles is 144 degrees. What is the measure of each exterior angle in a regular decagon? The sum of the exterior angles of every polygon is 360 degrees. A decagon has 10 angles, so 360 divided by 10 equals 36. So the measure of an exterior angle in a regular decagon is 36 degrees. Bees build honeycombs with hexagonal cells. What is the measure of each interior angle of the cell? To find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, take the number of sides, subtract 2, and then multiply 100 by 180. A hexagon, by definition, has 6 sides, so 6 minus 2 times 180 equals 4 times 180, or 720 degrees. Then, take the sum of the interior angles and divide it by the number of angles in the hexagon, which in this case would be 6. 720 divided by 6 equals 120. So one of the interior angles would be 120 degrees. Remember, when working with interior angles, to find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon with n sides, take n minus 2 times 180 degrees. To find the measures of each interior angle of a regular polygon with n sides, take n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. When working with exterior angles, the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360. The measure of one of the exterior angles of a regular polygon can be found by dividing 360 by the number of angles n. That is our lesson for today. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed it.